Hi there, my name is Suchita Kurup, and this is the first video in the course ChatGPT for Beginners. By the time you're done, you'll be confident in using ChatGPT for all sorts of everyday tasks, whether it's for work, productivity, creative projects, or even content generation. We're going to start from the very beginning, starting with what is ChatGPT? How do I install it? How do I use it? And how do I have a conversation with it? Let's start from the basics. What exactly is ChatGPT? Think of it as a highly advanced AI chatbot designed by the company OpenAI that enables natural back and forth conversations. It works like a virtual assistant that you can chat with just like you would with a friend or a colleague. ChatGPT has been trained with enormous amounts of text from books, articles, websites, and much more. This enables it to generate well structured and intelligent responses on a wide range of topics. So, what can you actually do with ChatGPT? Well, if you ask me, a lot. You can use it to answer questions and research, generate text from just writing and content creation, summarize long documents, help with coding, translate languages, analyze data. And the exciting part? Some versions of ChatGPT can even process images and audio, making it more than just a text based chatbot. Unlike traditional chatbots that follow a rigid script, ChatGPT is more dynamic and flexible. And thanks to deep learning, it can adapt to context and offer more meaningful responses, making it a massive upgrade from the older AI assistants. One common misconception is that ChatGPT and AI are the same thing. While ChatGPT is a form of artificial intelligence, the field of artificial intelligence is much broader. AI has existed for decades, and within it, we have machine learning, deep learning, and more recently, generative AI, which is where ChatGPT fits in. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today, helping with millions of people with everyday tasks, creativity, learning, and much more. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, it can be an incredible tool to have at your fingertips. What would you use ChatGPT for? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights on AI and productivity.